Hi, it's Sam from UEA and I'm going to be talking today about what it's like to live independently for the first time. So before going to uni, I'd only ever lived with my parents. My mum tried to help me by teaching me as many recipes and cooking and stuff before I went, but that was sort of the thing I struggled with the most, was sort of tiredness and then having to pick yourself up after a whole day of lectures and cook yourself dinner. But one thing I actually found was really helpful was teaming up with my housemates. So we'd buy our food together and we'd take it in turns to cook each other dinner and things, and that was just so nice because not only did I get to sort of try other meals, but I also got to cook for other people. It made it cheaper to buy food and I didn't have to cook every single day. But it's always good to remember that every single meal, even if it's literally pasta and sauce, is a meal and it's good enough.